Okay, you see this trippy looking building? That's kind of cool. And actually that's not the focus of this particular one. This particular one is that we're in a neighborhood filled with this kind of stuff. And then in the middle of it all is this kind of whatever this is in front of me. It looks kind of interesting, so we're gonna go down and see what that is. But in the meanwhile, go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Let's see what that is. But in the meanwhile, we're gonna see what all these apartments are like. So this kind of like caged apartments, dog shop. Got your cats and dogs sleeping. Okay, so just gonna keep on checking stuff out, and we're gonna see like straight ahead. There's I don't know what that is up ahead, but we're definitely gonna see what it is. Oops. And you got all this kind of cool stuff too. So actually got some kind of interesting balconies right there too. And actually the focus for this particular one is this one straight ahead. So we're gonna go check it out because it ends and there's like these two small buildings right straight ahead, right? Let's see if we can get across the traffic a little bit before it moves. Yeah, this. What's all this about? So there's like a little temple over there and these kind of buildings. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like you can just keep going around that way. There's also a little temple over there, so let's just see what this little temple is. You got a little courtyard right here. You got a courtyard here. Then you got a temple back here. So we're just gonna catch this temple right here. This one. So it's kind of an active one. They're always active. That might be the person who just keeps it going. Pretty cool. So it looks like it's closed at the moment, I think. But you also have this other element too here. I don't know, it's gonna go. Let's just see what this little thing is back here. It's hard to know. Interesting little vehicle there. So it looks like we could go across that way. And we'll also just see what's down this way too. Oh wow, okay. Well, I was gonna go that way, but it looks like this place looks even more interesting. So we're just gonna walk down an alley. There's no cars that can get in here. Huh. And across the way, there's another street over there. It's pretty cool. So it's just a tiny little alley here. Oops. Oops. And we have another shrine right up here too. And we have Guayin too. Nice to see Guayin. There she is. It's kind of like a Mother Mary equivalent. It's beautiful. So yeah, that's kind of entrance to this one. It's going to go out like that. And then there's actually lots of different ways to go, right? So we're just kind of out in the thick of it again after doing that alley, but kind of want to see what's. Oh, look at this balcony. I don't know if you can see this balcony straight ahead, but there's one on the corner that's pretty interesting. So we're gonna check it out in a minute. So the camera died, but that was what I want to look at is this one right here. So it's really cool looking space. And then straight down this way is Lisboa. So I didn't realize that I was that close to that. And then on this side is the other thing that I was looking at from the other direction, right? So let's just see what's over there. Yeah, pretty cool. So we're going to conclude that one. So looked like it's a parking lot. I could kind of see the angle of it. But anyways, I'm going to walk towards Grand Lisboa, and then we're going to call this one an ending spot in a minute. But I just want to film directly looking at this. Man, there's even stuff over there too to go to. All right, so we're gonna end it for right here.